Good morning. It's the day after Christmas and I just feel like we have not sat down and done makeup. I've done like tips and tricks and like little random makeup reviews, but like let's just sit down and hang out because I'm tired and I just want to go over some things that I've been loving in a very casual, calm, collected way with some coffee. The product that I've been really loving lately is the Patrick Star One Size Cheek Clapper. The reason I love these trios is because you get a true warm, you get a true cool toned contour color. This is really hard to find. I don't see this in a lot of palettes. And then a nice bridge color. I'm all about taking something in between these two and merging them together. This palette actually offers that, and I'm going to take this cool contour color and throw that into my crease because this is going to be the first thing that I use for a shadow. Also grabbing this warm tone color and then throwing that in throughout the crease over that contour and then a little bit underneath the lower lash line. Okay, next we have the ABH Soft Glam palette. Absolutely not a new one, but I feel like right now a lot of like shimmery topper colors are getting a lot of attention, but one that really hasn't made the viral radar yet is this bronze shade. So let's just pop this on and show you how stunning it is on a deeper skin tone. Literally the pigmentation is so intense and it grabs onto the skin. Sometimes with shimmer toppers, as the color starts to kind of just wear and melt into the skin, it kind of disappears and then you're just left with glitter chunks. This, you just don't get that. This is like a nice soft shimmer. It catches the light beautifully. Your lashes, but like slightly enhanced. This is going to be the lash for you. And this is what they look like out of the packaging. I just think they're so pretty. Let's pop them on. Okay, these are the lashes applied. As you can see, they literally just like blend right into my natural lashes. But if you're anything like me, not having any product or opacity right in these inner corners, it kind of drives you nuts. So here's what I do. I grab a brow pen. I love these because they don't deposit as much color. So it's like a really faint, soft, kind of almost like a sheer wash of color. And I use this to add just a little line to this inner corner. And what this does is fill in that area that I felt looked a little naked without adding a full line of eyeliner. And you can see that little bit just makes such a difference between the two eyes. These Jaclyn Cosmetics Rouge palettes are stunning. I use this color quite a bit, but I love mixing it with some other ones just to create a custom blend. And they go on pretty pigmented. And if you're adding something to your makeup wish list, I highly recommend it be the blush palettes. So I've been obsessed with the Dior Forever Nude Lipstick. This is in the color 200. Once this dries down, it stays in place all day. And for having some natural hyperpigmentation on my lips, this lipstick actually covers the hyperpigmentation and looks like a true nude on its own, without liner, without gloss. Let me show you. Look at that. That literally just neutralized my lip tone. There's not a lot of lipsticks that can do that without making me look unwell or sick or kind of just like something's missing. But this one is amazing because lip liner is one of my all-time favorite products and I love the definition it gives to my lips. I'm going to take some MAC cork, throw it on and kind of feather in the edges. And literally on its own, I'm obsessed, but we're going to go in and add this gorgeous gold gloss from Maybelline. It's called Sun, and tap it on, press it in. And because it has these micro fine gold pigments in it, it just catches the light beautifully without really changing the color of your lip. And lastly, we're going to finish off with the Milani Make It Last. This setting spray locks your makeup in place. It smells amazing. And this is the final look using some of this season's favorites. Let me know what you think.